Mental health matters. Mental health refers to our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act. Mental health is essential at every stage of life, from childhood and adolescence through adulthood. Let's start with children. Good mental health in children is crucial for their overall development. It helps them build resilience, cope with challenges, and form positive relationships with others. They are more likely to excel academically, have better self-esteem, and enjoy a sense of belonging. During the teenage years, mental health plays a vital role in shaping a young person's identity. Adolescents who prioritize their mental health develop healthy coping mechanisms, manage stress effectively, and have improved decision-making skills. This sets them on a path to success and fulfillment. Mental health greatly impacts our relationships. When people prioritize their mental well-being, they become better to communicate and maintain healthy connections with others. Strong mental health fosters understanding, compassion, and resilience within relationships, enabling them to thrive. The benefits of mental health extend to individuals themselves. When we prioritize our mental well-being, we feel improved overall happiness, increased self-confidence, and enhanced productivity. Good mental health allows us to better manage stress, handle life's challenges, and adapt to changes easily. So, whether you're a child, a teenager, or an adult, investing in your mental health is essential. It brings positive outcomes not only for yourself but also for your relationships and your overall well-being. Let's make mental health a priority and create a world where everyone can thrive. This video was brought to you by SehatYab, which is a digital mental health service, creating awareness and provides treatments online through psychiatrists and psychologists. Remember, mental health matters. First step, however, is your responsibility.